Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to check your video watch history on X, formerly known as Twitter. So this process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, we need to dive into your account settings to request your data. It's a very simple process. First, open your X application and then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then slide the menu a little bit and click on Settings and Support. And then again, slide up a little bit and click on Settings and Privacy. Now in the Settings and Privacy option, you will see an option called Your Account. Tap on that. Now this is the place where you'll have the core of your account information stored. Now X doesn't simply have an option called Watch History, so we need to request a downloadable archive of your account's data, which also includes the videos that you have watched. So inside your account menu, you will find the option named Download an Archive of Your Data. Simply click on that option, and then for security, X will ask you to verify your identity, and you may have to enter a few details like your password or a confirmation code that you have saved. So simply complete the process. After verifying your identity, you will see an option called Request Archive. Simply click on that, and an archive request will be sent. And then after that, you should be able to receive all the information within 24 hours. And you'll also get a notification on your email address when the archive is ready. So after that, once you get the notification that your archive is ready, you can download and view your history. So all you do is simply go to the email that you will be receiving, which has a download link for a zip file that contains all of your data. Simply click on that link, and a file will be downloaded on your computer or on your phone, depending on which device you're using, and then simply unzip that file, and inside that file you can browse through and you'll be able to find the data related to your activity, including the list of videos you have watched. It might be in a file named something like videos.js or within the general activity files. So you have to look for it, but it will be available right over there. So now you know how to request your data archive to see your video watch history on X. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.